Guys, it's Aussie Mark. Take a look behind me. Can you see it? There is a cassowary coming right towards me. There he goes. There he is. Isn't that just fantastic? Wow. That is a wild cassowary. I'm here at Etty Beach. Etty Beach is about an hour's drive south of Cairns, and it's a beautiful spot, absolutely amazing, and the cassowaries wander freely around here. Let me show you some more footage. These guys are fruit eaters, and this one is so tame that you can see how close I am to him, and he's just picking up the seeds and the fruit that are laying on the ground, completely oblivious to the tourists. That is just sensational. Aren't you beautiful? Hey mate. Yeah, you've got to be pleased with seeing these guys. Now I've flown here as well. It was raining, of course. It rains on and off here, or has been this day, and I did manage to get out when the sun was shining, so we've got a bit of aerial footage. Take a look. Well, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time here today, and if you enjoyed this little video of one of my trips, then please subscribe to me and leave a comment. That would be wonderful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.